No, I'm not pregnant, uncle. Ah, rude boy.
So many times that I miss you. I know how to call when I want to. Now you got way bigger issues. You're running around like you single.
So we are coming with a force. Yeah, blessing the reaper we go it on.
Oh, mountain for your back, make it run wild. Slow it sometime. Time to slow down. So many things we could have been. You left me so cold. You know that I need you. Now I feel me so cold. You know that I need you. Now I feel so cold. I gotta get even. Still I want you close. Sometimes I need you. I never forget you, but I won't call you anyway. Nobody wins, cause you won't call me anyway.
Good morning, besties. How you doing? Hope you're doing good. Today I'm vlogging. Today is 31st of July. I wasn't really gonna vlog. I've been like, oh, should I vlog, should I not? Anyways, I decided to pick the camera up and vlog for you guys. So right now it is, well, almost 8:59. I was planning to wake up around 6:30 because I have so many things to do, but I'm tired, so I slept in. I was really tired yesterday, so I slept in. So now I was just making bed. That's why I show you guys how I was making my bed, and this is gonna be like vlog style. I'm gonna get ready, go to the gym, come back, do other things. I'll bring you guys along anyways. Hope you're doing good. By the way, stop what you're doing, subscribe, help me get to 1,000 before my birthday. My birthday is August 16th, so help me get there. So I want to tell you guys what I do first thing in the morning. I wake up, obviously make my bed, put something like morning affirmation or positive morning meditation or whatever I'm feeling that day. Today I did affirmation, the lucky girl syndrome affirmation. It does help boost your day. Honestly, if you wake up and you start feeling like shit, put something positive. I promise you it will make your day better. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna go and brush my teeth and get ready to go quick to the gym. And yeah, so come along, let's go. Okay, besties, we are in my kitchen. I'm going to have apple cider vinegar. I do drink it. I don't know what's going on. I woke up with a bit of headache. I don't know. Anyways, I'm just gonna pour my water here. I'll just put that much, and I just want to show you guys how I do it. Anyways, you need apple cider vinegar with the mother sugar. Okay, I'm gonna have 2 cups of this. Yeah, let me just say this. I don't know why every time I talk I'm asking anyways, let's just move. Look at me, I'm so fucking clumsy. Yeah, anyways, so let me just say that I am not a doctor. I just do this because it helps, you know. I don't know, to be honest. Yeah, it does help. Sure, it's good though. It's good. So if you have lemon, I have lemon juice, so that's what I'm going to use. I'm gonna use this lemon juice. Basically, I just squeeze it. I love lemon. I love lemon. I remember one time my in-law back home come to visit. We have a lemon tree. I would go ham on that lemon tree. I would take care. I would eat lemon for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. He asked my sister like, is your sister pregnant?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
No, I'm not pregnant, uncle.
Unacceptable!
I just love lemon. Anyway, so this is what I do. Use a straw if you want to have your teeth, okay? If you love your teeth, use a straw. I heard they say metal straw is not good. I'm tired of social media. I'm tired of internet. Everybody, this one is not good. This one is good. This one.
I'm confused. I'm confused right now, G.
Wait, shut up, okay? I want to live my life. I just wanna live my life, cruise my cruise and ride my ride. Is that how you say? I just wanna live my life, cruise my cruise and ride my ride, vibe my vibe, killer curry. I just wanna get there. Okay, I think I'm fucking this song up. Anyways, let's drink it. Definitely, you get used to the taste of apple cider vinegar, but that first will give you the shock of your life. So make sure you dilute your apple cider, okay? You can even add more water, but I am a pro. Oh, I need to go to the gym. We are going to the gym. I have so many things to do today. Any hoozles, let's get it. Finish. Yesterday I ate bad. I was at work, I noticed, but this week I'm gonna make sure that that don't happen. I had ice cream, I had biscuit, 2 pack of biscuit and almond ice cream. Like, it's crazy. I do not need that. And I think that's why I woke up this morning with a bit of headache and feeling sluggish. We're gonna fix it. Today we're gonna have a very hearty meal, hearty, healthy meal. That's what we're gonna have. That is like not a lot of sweet going on that meal, because we're not trying to die. You know what I'm saying?
In that moment, what do I need right now? Do I wait up for this text message back? Put down your phone and you go to sleep. Or like when somebody is blowing up your phone and they want answers and this, that. Okay, well, what is it they're doing in this moment right now? Should you be focusing on your work, or should you be focusing? Ask yourself, what do I need right now in this moment? I find sometimes it's hard for us to not prioritize ourselves and prioritize other things, especially people, because we are living in scarcity. So we think that and that is flawed thinking. Another Pinterest quote that I found, it's really a Twitter quote, but I found it on Pinterest. And this girl said, checking your phone right away when rising doesn't seem like a big deal, but it is. The first thing you do is check for somebody else. You haven't been loving yourself and you feel kind of low self-worth. You have so many negative thoughts that come up into your mind about how unworthy you are. And like I was saying, like when you choose other people over yourself, sometimes you have a belief of like, oh, well, they won't stay if I don't answer them, or you know, I don't put them on this priority list, which is very flawed thinking. And so you really want to become aware of the thoughts and the beliefs that you hold about yourself. And so witnessing when your mind is spiraling, witnessing when you are wanting to take action from that insecure place, and telling yourself in that moment, I am about to take this, let's say I'm about to text this person from an insecure place right now, and I really don't.
Okay, bessies, I am all ready to go to the gym. This is a fit. Just simple top and this leggings that I got from, is it JD? Yeah, I like it. This is extra large, but I could have gotten large because this is really stretchy. Can you believe this? It's already starting to rain. UK, what is this? It's supposed to be summer. Anyways, we shall move. I'm going. I've got my umbrella. Anyways, I'm gonna go because I need to weigh myself. Today's weighing day at the gym. Fingers crossed I will lose some weight. Anyways, I know what I did yesterday. I accept my whatever damage I caused. I accept it. Anyways, let's go. I can't wait to get to the gym. I'm only gonna spend like 45 to 30 minutes over there, and then I'll leave because I have things to do. Okay, and we're going to grocery shop. Okay, so come. I'll pick you guys up soon. I'm at the gym. I'm going to work 3:30. So I'll talk to you guys when I finish. Wow. These days I couldn't speak to you guys because I was literally dying. Anyways, I finished. This is what we are looking like. This is the leggings that I was talking about. It's from, got it from JD. But yeah, I am tired. yard no be small thing. Besties, I'm so tired. Literally, let's go to Aldi. Oh, I'm looking good. Oof, look at that. Look at that body. Oh yeah. Thumbnail time. I told them that I'm going to go to Aldi, so let's go do this grocery shopping because it's one day I need to get everything today. So let's go. I'm walking back home. Finished from Aldi. It's a bit busy, so I couldn't really show you guys what I'm picking. But when I get home, I'll show you guys what I got. And yeah, people are looking at me crazy. I'm not used to this. So I'll talk to you guys when I get home. Bye. Besties, I am back home. Okay, gym was crazy. I spent 30 minutes over there. I did mix of 3:30 and just walking fast, running. I was just doing whatever my body is asking me to do. So that was fun. And then I walked to Aldi. Girl, coming back, I was thinking, who told me to walk with bags in my hand? Okay, I'm not that strong. Oh, Chineke. Anyways, I did walk back 20 minutes. Aldi is like 20 minutes away from my house. So I walked 20 minutes to go there. Like, okay, 15 minutes because I went from gym to Aldi. 15 minutes from gym to Aldi and then walk 20 minutes back. So that's what, like 35 minutes. That's crazy. Yeah, I know. So my shoulders, I need a massage. We're not gonna talk about it. Let me tell you guys what I got from Aldi. This big bag. Thumbnail time. Madness. So besties, I got this stir fry mixed veggies that I want to try from them. I got different type. Okay, you can see the names. I don't know the name, so I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it. And I got me some brioche loaf. The bread, this bread is delicious. I got one. I really like, okay, I wanted to film in Aldi, but it was super busy, and honestly my brain was just telling me take unhealthy stuff, so I was just like, I'm not even gonna film here. I managed to get a little clip. I don't even think that's enough to put together. I was rushing to come out of Aldi, okay, because I don't want to have anything super unhealthy. This bread is just like whatever. Anyways, moving on, I got me grapes. I love grapes. Okay, this is the grapes I got from them. I love me grapes. This is seedless. And I got strawberries because I do like to have my fruits with yogurt and things like that to snack on. You know, I love, anytime I eat something, I love to have something sweet right after. So I find myself having yogurt with fruit sometimes, you know, just to give me that sweetness. And I got sweet potatoes from them. I love having, like, boiling this sweet potato, having it with coffee as sort of like snack or breakfast or whatever I'm feeling. I love sweet potato with coffee. If you haven't tried it, try it. Oh. If you haven't tried it. What? If you haven't tried it yet, you need to go ahead and do it, okay? And I got me a salad. I'm not really a big fan of someone like, okay, I'm not someone who does make salad a lot, but this salad I find that it's so delicious and sweet and crunchy. You have everything. You have cucumber. You don't really have to add anything. If you like tomatoes, you can go ahead and do that. But me myself, I don't like tomatoes like that. I'm cooked tomato like that. I will eat it if I'm feeling spicy, but on my own like that. So this one is really good. So I have one that I haven't finished yet. I need to finish that one for sure. I think today I'm gonna have that as a side when I'm having my dinner. Anyways, I got myself Greek yogurt. I got low-fat yogurt. I'm not really a big fan of low-fat yogurt. I think this one is full-fat if I'm not wrong. Yeah, I'm thinking that. So I love having full-fat yogurt with my fruits like strawberry, banana, grapes mixed together. It's delicious. So that low-fat yogurt, I just use it to make my smoothies, and sometimes I'll have it with my fruits, but it's not my best. It's not my favorite, okay? I got rice noodle. I wasn't planning on getting this. I did. I got it. So yeah, moving on. I think that's what I'm gonna have. I've got 2 of them. That's what I'm gonna have for lunch or dinner today. I think that will be lunch because I like to have something light dinner time, so that way I can wake up feeling light. I got me banana because I love having banana with my smoothie or with yogurt, if that makes sense. I got me lemon. I'm gonna boil this lemon with ginger because it's so good for you. I had COVID, I'm recovering from it. Even though COVID is finished, but I still want to work on my immune system. And I got me milk because I love making coffee. So yeah, this is all the things I got from Aldi, and yeah, this is my weekly food shopping. So basically that is it for the grocery haul. I am going to have something like, I'm gonna have my breakfast because I'm really hungry and I'm feeling weak. If I like, when I'm going to the gym I don't eat, so whenever I come home I feel really hungry and I need to eat something right now. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm gonna prepare my food, my breakfast, and I'll show you guys. So yeah, and I'm not gonna show you guys me preparing it and all that stuff, but if you guys want me to do like what I eat in a day, let me know because I would love to do it for you guys. I'm on this self-love journey, self-healing, and this is part of me taking care of myself, because when you take care of yourself you feel better, you feel good. This light just turned off on me, rude boy. Anyways, yeah, let me go and prepare my breakfast because the light is saying go cut it out. I'll pick you guys up soon. Okay, Bessie, this is my breakfast. I'm really hungry. I have my yogurt, banana, and some grapes, yeah, and my coffee and the bread with butter. So I'm going to eat. I'm really hungry. I'll pick you guys up soon. So besties, this is it. This is the end of my morning routine. This is what I do to make me feel good, make me feel better, is to wake up, listen to positive affirmation, make my bed, go to the gym, and eat healthy stuff. So yeah, as you guys know, I am on my self-love journey and taking care of me and me only. And yeah, part of that is looking nice at home because sometimes I neglect this part of me unless I'm going out. Does that make sense? Anyways, I'm about to go. I'm gonna leave you guys because I have other things to do. So let me know if you like this video. If you guys want more videos like this, let me know. Thumbs up, subscribe, comment, let me know what kind of video you guys would like to see. If you guys want to see what I eat in a day video, let me know. And also my nighttime routine, whatever you guys want, let me know because we are on this journey together. I'm about to leave you, and yeah, see you guys on my next video, besties. Love you.